Hi, I'm Christy. I am here to show you a review and demonstration on how the Anker power bank works. Anker is the brand, and we are doing this for the channel for Thomas Tech. Okay, let's get right into it. The Anker laptop power bank, it has a large capacity of 25,000 milliamp per hour battery, which is basically charging a phone 5 times. So that's actually a very powerful battery. 165 watts max total output when 2 devices are connected, and 130 watts total output when 3 or more devices are connected. Each USB-C port can handle up to 100 watts, recharging the power bank using 100 watts. And USB-C source gets up to 30% in 20 minutes. It's also travel and airplane approved, so it's great for traveling with. And even though the wiring is made to be durable, using the cable as a handle isn't the smartest idea. And it has an 18-month warranty on it, so that's almost over a year of making sure you have a reliable power bank. Okay, so let's open this bad boy. I love saying that. Oh, my nails. Okay. All right, I think we got it. Okay. This is why I opened the other one like that too. All right. Alright, what we got here? Okay, so let's take this out. The box it comes in, it obviously comes well packaged here, so it stays nice and safe. Alright, so we've got the power bank here, you got your screen. So we'll take that off so we can see what's going on. Very, very nice. So it comes with a cute little bag, right, that you can put in there so you can travel with your bag. Be helpful. Okay, so here's what it comes with that, and everything pretty much comes with the device itself, and I see that where the cord is located. So, for that. So, it looks like it's got pretty good reach. Okay, so let's try to connect. It says it's actually already at 21%. So it gives you some battery life to work with beforehand, so you don't have to fully charge it. That's nice. Right? So I'll plug it in. And to listen to that. It's basically saying that look at that. Okay. So it's saying that we've got power. It says I can do 36, well, it said 36 watts. So, and here's your other one. So this is your other cable, right? Like, squeeze it out like this. There we go. So you actually can attach this back in there, like so. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay. So here's how you want to do this one. So you want to take it out like this, or if you're done using it, that you can put it back in like that. So, but this is what we mean by don't use this as a handle, because you can just wear on it, and it might not get as much, it might not last as long if you're continuously using this as a handle. So not recommended, because this is one of your cable ports. This is also USB-C, as you can tell, and you have your outputs over here. So you have your A output, and then you have a C input output over here. So you can see those two right there where you can plug in another cord, so your regular old school A output, you would put that in here. And we can plug another device into it like this, right? And it's telling you what the wattages are as you're plugging it in. So how much wattage you're getting, so you're not overpowering it, and it's not, you don't have to worry about your device being fried or having too much. So that's actually really nice. And it's giving you all the information here. So let me if I pull this a little bit so I can show you, right? So it's telling me right now, pass through 9.30, it's telling you where it's at right now. That's pretty cool. And then here's your power button to turn it off and on. So if I take this out, it's now only showing me the one because it's hooked into this other power source. So I have none. And then when I go in here, here's the power button, I believe. So when I hit this, it'll say battery temperature, high performance mode. So it tells you where you're at and if your battery percentage is saved. Temperature of your battery, which is actually really nice. And then after that, you can see that it's turned off. So you don't have to hold the button down. I was thinking about that. Some devices you do, but this one, it looks like you just hit the button once and it will shut down and it will tell you what your battery temperature is before it does. So that's really nice. So yeah, you just put it back together. Make sure you put your thing back in there. So what you have to do with this one is you have to pull it out all the way and then it comes back in. Kind of like a tape measure. So funny. But yeah, this is actually really nice because, cords can get tangled up. It's a pain. So the way they have this organized, this cord's not going to get tangled anywhere. This one's literally right here, staying in. So I don't want to, I'm done using it, bam, and it will fold right back. So easy to store, easy to put together, and it's easy to use. So I would say this would be an awesome power bank if you are on the road and you need access with all these little ports. This is your go-to. And thank you for watching Thomas Tech.